never say they want it. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say they want it.
Hi guys. Oh, I look so ugly, but I don't care. Hello guys.
Your skin looks good.
It is my 20th birthday, 2-0, and I'm gonna be vlogging my entire weekend for my birthday. So today's just Wednesday, so the day of my birthday, and then we're going out on Saturday for my birthday. So yeah, I just want to show you guys what I'm doing today. My sister is making me some delicious hot chocolate for my birthday with some marshmallows. My mom got us some pancakes from IHOP. I wanted some IHOP. I haven't had IHOP in forever. And then we're going to the spa later tonight, so I'm so super excited. Make sure you guys like this video, comment, do all that. Subscribe, of course. We're already at 10,000. Thank you so much for helping me reach my goal a week before the year was out. Like that, my goal was to get it even like later, but like you guys, thank you so much, and I love all the support. So yeah, we're super excited for today, and yeah, I just want to show you guys what I'm eating, what I'm doing a little bit. It's gonna be a really chill day, but I'm excited. It's amazing to be. It's amazing to be 20. It's a great feeling. It's kind of weird. I was just looking at myself in the mirror. I'm like, dang, I'm 20. Like I looked in that mirror every year because we moved in this place when I was 6. And then at one point, I couldn't look in the mirror. Like we moved here when I was 6 years old, and I'm like, I looked in this mirror every single day for the past, well, basically every single day for the past, what was that, 15 years? 14 years-ish, 14, 13, I don't know, something like that. I can't do math right now.
You were 4?
No, 14 years, because I was 6 when we first moved here, and I turned 7 here. And yeah, I'm just growing. I wish it'd be cool if there was a camera inside the mirror. You could like really see yourself grow up every single day, like in fast motion. That's cool. But yeah, guys, so I'm gonna see you guys later, and yeah, see when I'm probably at the spot, or I don't know, throughout the day. So it's a few hours later. I look crazy. Once again, this is not like my get cute part of my birthday celebration, but we're about to head over to the spa. My mom like wrote me this really cute little note. Like she gave me a card like what I'm gonna be doing, which is really sweet of her. So I'm gonna show you guys the card. I think it's so cute. Give me a second. So here's the card. It's so cute. So she shows like where it's gonna be and like a little message from your parents. So I'm going with my sister, and I'm so excited. Like this is gonna be so much fun. I definitely need it because I have been needing like a nice relaxing massage for a while because I feel like my body has been really sore and all that. So I'm super excited to go. And I may sound like I'm like a little bit like blah right now, but it's because I've just been watching TV and chilling all day, and I actually feel really relaxed. So it's not because I'm like depressed or sad. I feel good. But yeah, so I'm super excited to head over. We're gonna leave probably like 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna go quickly get dressed in something very chill because I'm gonna be having to get undressed anyway when I get there. So I'll see you guys there.
Brian Little.
So I just got back, and my parents
Have returned to you?
they got me seafood for my birthday dinner. So exciting. And then some sushi, which is kind of seafood too, I guess. And got some wine, some Patron. Ooh, what's going on tonight? And my little birthday girl cups. My juice, okay. Like, anywho. All right, guys, that's all. Look how good it looks. Can't wait to eat.
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, you should sing too.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Toni. Happy birthday to you.
Woo!
Are you 10? Are you 15?
No, you
Are
can't
you
count like
16?
You guys
Are
can count from 1 to 20, all right?
That's a lot.
Now start.
Are
You
you
old.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
You're spitting on my tape.
15, 16, 17. Are you 18? Are you 19? Are you?
Keep going.
Are you
21.
20?
1. Hey guys, so I am currently editing my vlog, and I just realized I did not show you guys the birthday gifts that I got. So I'm about to show you guys all the gifts that I got for my birthday. So here's the one of them. So I already have it hung up, but she got me like this magazine type cover. So her company is Poise Media, and she wants to turn it into a magazine. So she decided to make me like this first magazine cover of her company, and it's of me reaching 10,000 subscribers, and this bomb picture of me. Like, I absolutely love this. It was so cute and thoughtful. Like, this was like definitely the it gift. I love it so much. She also got me this Michael Kors wallet that we're actually going to take back. I really like it. It's simple and cute, but I just wanted like a bigger wallet just for my own convenience. But yes, I really like this. I just want to get a bigger one. Maybe like a different color too. Like I like the light pink, but I think I might want like a brighter color just so that it doesn't like get dirty quick. But yes, I like this gift a lot. So the last thing I got was Why Men Love Bees. This book is like a self-help book. It literally says From Doormat to Dream Girl, a woman's guide to holding her own in a relationship. And this is a book that I wanted. I saw it on TikTok. And I know girls feel like this is like an amazing book. Like I don't really let men walk all over me, but I just thought it'd be like good to reiterate and just to read it and see what other tips they have to like be that bee and make sure men know better than to ever try you. So I'm really excited. I just started reading it and it's so far so good. So it's officially the day of my birthday celebration. So my birthday was on Wednesday. Today is now Saturday, and I'm going to be going to a birthday dinner, and then I'm going to be going to a hotel with a few of my friends and my sister and my cousin and a few of my friends. One friend, I don't got that many friends. My sister, my cousin, and then some other people are gonna be meeting us there after, and we're gonna like have a good time there. So I'm super duper excited. So it's about 1 o'clock. My friend is gonna come at 4 to come pick me up so we could go to the hotel. My cousin is coming at 2:30 because she had work today. No, she didn't have work today. Did she have work today? No, she didn't have work today, but she's gonna come today at 2:30. She had work yesterday, that's why she didn't come last night. And then we are going to head to the hotel. So I just need to take a shower. I'm about to take a shower, do all my girly things like shave, do my hair, get myself together. And yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to hop in the shower right now and yeah, try and finesse this braid. I'm trying to do a braided ponytail. Y'all know, like a high ponytail with a braid. I was gonna pay to get it done, but I was like, you know what, I could do it myself if I get the right products and finesse this. So I'm praying to God it comes out how I want it to. Like right now my hair is not it, so I'm just praying. We're gonna make sure that it lasts, so stay tuned for the reveal. All right guys, so we're at the hotel now and my hair failed like I expected it to. So I'm redoing my hair. I'm gonna do like a low ponytail. So the braid just did not work out. I wanted it to be longer. It would have been cute, but it's not. There's my cousin over there. She came a few hours ago. But it's the hotel. It's something, it's like really, it's a cool chill spot. Bathroom area. Here's the shower and stuff. Super cute. And then there's like a living space as well. And here's like the living space area. Izira, grow up. There's my sister. There's Izira. And yeah, so I'm about to like change my hair because my hair looks stupid. And yeah, so I will see you guys when I'm getting ready to go. See, yes, it's on you guys.
You gotta let us know.
Okay, all right. 1, 2, 3 scenes. All right, guys, we're at the restaurant now, and we just got drinks and stuff.
My fault. I'm mistaken.
What'd you get to eat, Tanya?
I'm gonna be getting what is it? The roasted chicken or something?
Smothered.
No, you're getting smothered.
I thought you were getting roasted chicken.
I'm getting the fried chicken with mashed potatoes and gravy.
Okay, typical.
I'm getting fried wine fish.
Okay, good. Period. Yes, it's me delicious. Okay. Hi guys, so I'm editing the vlog and I realized that I did not get a lot of footage the night of like my birthday bake celebration, and I really just showed dinner, but it's because like right after like we had a little bit too much fun and I just totally forgot to vlog. We were also running really late because, you know, girls take forever to get ready, so I couldn't show y'all me getting ready and getting dressed up. And yeah, because I was just too busy trying to figure out my hair. My hair was not turning out how I wanted it to look, so y'all didn't get to see my dress, but I'm gonna show you guys pictures of the dress because I did get some pictures in after I got back from the restaurant, so I'll show you guys those buns in the pictures that I show as well. But I had an amazing night. The night was really good with my sister, my cousin, and my friends. We had a really good time, and then like we didn't really do much. We just played some like drinking games and we like just chilled and had a good time at the hotel room. And then the next day we just went out to get some lunch at a diner with the the girls that were spending the night with me. So we had a really good time. I loved it. I'm going to show you guys some pictures as much as I can so y'all can get a little taste of how it went. But my 21st, I promise, I know it's a whole year away, I'm going to be much better. And plus, there's going to be a lot more going on. But overall, I really, really enjoyed my birthday. So if you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Feel free to send me a little happy birthday in the comments, okay? That'd be nice. And yeah, just let me know when your birthday is and what's your sign. I'm curious. So I will see you all in my next video. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.
Bryanne, let's